So in today's video, we're going to look at correlation coefficient function in Microsoft Excel. So this is done through the CORREL formula or function. So what we have here is we have the dates. This is for the month of July last year. These are the temperatures, outside temperature for each day. And this is the number of visitors that went to a public pool. So here you can see like it was 71 degrees on the 1st of July and there was 141 visitors to the pool. So if you take the CORREL function, so what I want to do is I want to see if there is a correlation between the temperature and the number of visitors to the pool. And often you would think, yes, of course there's a correlation between those two things because when it's hot out, people want to go to the pool. So here you've got a correlation of 0.54, which is actually very low. So this is almost an uncorrelated list. Just to kind of prove that it works, here's some made up temperatures. They are literally just the number of visitors divided by 2. So it is a 100% correlation between the two values. So these made up variables or made up temperatures here, if I was to do that function, it would come to a correlation of 1. So this function does work. It does look odd, but that's exactly why I wanted to show up with this true data. And the reason that there is no correlation or is a low correlation is because there's other factors, right? So Saturdays and Sundays, always a lot more visitors, not regardless, but pretty much regardless of whether what the temperature is. You could do a CORREL on just the weekdays or just the weekends, and that might give you a higher correlation. You've also got the 4th of July in here. Obviously, one of the most popular days at a public pool. It's the highest number of visitors that were had in the entire month. So that was despite the temperature only being 77, which in this set is a little bit on the higher side, but it's definitely not the highest temperature of the data set that is here. It is interesting because you can use this CORREL function to figure out the correlation between two data sets very easily and very quickly without having to be like a statistician or know exactly what is happening. And you can see just through this that this definitely is working. This data does seem odd that there would be no correlation or very low correlation, but when you look at the whole month and you don't take in other factors such as holidays and weekends, that there is actually a low correlation between the temperature and the number of visitors to a public pool. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please also share. Please go ahead and check out my other videos on my page. Have a great day.